how's it going? So I'm just gonna be eating this here In-N-Out #1 combo. We got the double burger animal style with French fries smothered in napkins, ketchup and mustard packets. I'm all about the sauces, just in case. Just make sure to get all of everything possible. So I'm gonna see if I can possibly prop my camera up anywhere for this review. If this is okay, so that angle did not work. I'm gonna try this one right here. Not the best one, but it's gonna have to work. Looks like. All right, here we go. Very saucy. It's my review already, so it's probably gonna go right in on that one. I'm gonna pull this pickle. I do see this hazard. It's the only thing, really. Lots of lechuga. I'm into that. I also would like to point out, also right off the bat, everything is perfect in width. You see, if I can do this, burger patty 1 inch looking on the lettuce. And it's looking like 1 inch on the tomatoes, also looking like it because it's stacked, double stacked. Just everything is perfect. I got some sauce on my finger here. Get a French fry. Perfect proportion. I'm already like 1.5 minutes in, so I'm gonna go ahead and start eating. Looking around, making sure nobody's watching me, you know. Fuck. Okay, here I go. Cheers, gang. Oh, I'm gonna rip my mouth. Sorry. My dad was calling. Totally booted it. But went in for my first bite. My review so far is very good. A little bit greasy, like I can taste the griddle. Very like salty chunks of grease, but it's still good. Although, it's gonna be a long food review. Hope you're ready. Very good French fry. Into this. A little bit extra salty today. So I'm just gonna go in with some of this here mustard packet. Never tried this before, actually. I asked her what sauces they have today, just to be crazy, because I don't know. Thought about it, and then, you know, she was kind of like shook. She was like, well, we have ketchup, mustard, and that's it. Ketchup and mustard. If I can open this packet. God, my review on their packets is that they need to be easier to open. I don't want to go in with my mouth because I don't know who's touched this, TBH. I have nothing to open it with. Some bullshit, you know that? Going in. Last resort. Okay. I'm going in. Okay. All set. Got that here mustard on there. I am excited. I need a hair tie for real. Woo. This isn't working. My hair is gonna be greasy AF. TBH. This is seriously wanting to give me like lockjaw, I feel like, oh. delicious. Just delicious. I don't know what else to say. Other than that, I would definitely recommend this restaurant. You can sort of see just how greasy this burger is just by how saturated in grease this paper is underneath here, as opposed to how it is over here where the bread is. But, and I'm about to take a sip of the soda, just perfect carbonation. Okay, so I'll check back in after I'm done. Cheers, gang.